Ghazals. Ghazal is a poetic form originated in Arab with rhyming couplets and a refrain. Each line has the same meter. Each couplet itself is a short poem and sufficient to convey its message. It can be an expression of both the pain of loss or separation and the beauty of love in spite of the pain. Sher. It's a poem of two lines. That's a couplet. A sher does not need anything around it to convey the message. Beher. It is the meter of the sher. It can be considered as the length of the sher. Each line of a ghazal must follow the same metrical pattern and syllabic count. Ghazal is a collection of shairs of same beher. Matla. The first shair in a ghazal is called the matla. Both lines of the matla must contain the kafia and radif. The matla sets the tone of the ghazal as well as its rhyming and refrain pattern. Radif. The refrain word or phrase. Both lines of the matla and the second lines of all subsequent shairs must end in the same refrain word called the radif. Kafia, the rhyming pattern. The radif is immediately preceded by words or phrases with the same end rhyme pattern called the kafia. Makta. The last couplet of the ghazal is called the makta. It is common in ghazals for the poet's nom de plume, known as takullas, to be featured in the makta. The makta is typically more personal than the other couplets in a ghazal. The creativity with which a poet incorporates homonymous meanings of their takallus to offer additional layers of meaning to the couplet is an indicator of their skill. This is a ghazal written by Nasir Kazmi and translated by Michael R. Burke. What happened to them? In this ghazal, we can see that the first couplet that we have, the first share that we have is known as matla. And the ending share, the ending couplet is termed as makta. So matla and makta. Each and every couplet is termed as a share, which is a poem in itself, a complete poem in itself. Kafia. Kafia is the rhyming scheme of the ghazal. As we can see that how A, B, A, C, A, D, A, E, or A at the end also it is used. So this is called the kafia, the rhyming scheme of the ghazal. Beher. Beher is the meter or the length of each and every line. Those who came ashore, what happened to them? Those who sailed away, what happened to them? Those who are coming at dawn when dawn never arrived? Those caravans en route, what happened to them? Those I awaited each night on moonless paths who were meant to light beacons, what happened to them? Who are these strangers surrounding me now? All my lost friends and allies, what happened to them? Those who build these blazing buildings, what happened to them? Those who were meant to uplift us, what happened to them? So this is a poem written by Nasir Kazmi, a ghazal written by Nasir Kazmi in the year 1947 at the time of partition of India and Pakistan. During that time, so many people had shifted from one place to the other place, from one country to the other country. And this poem is actually asking the readers that what has happened to them who have shifted, who have made so many buildings, because in that partition, which is also considered as one of the uh, biggest massacre in which so many people have died. So he is asking about all those people, what happened to them during that partition. Now there is a very famous name in English ghazals. It is Agha Shahid Ali, who was a great poet, great professor, and the way he has lived his life is again amazing. A Kashmiri American poet, not to be the one who invented the form English ghazal, but he is definitely the one who put the soul of ghazal into its English form. This is a poem, Tonight, composed by Agha Shahid Ali. Where are you now, who lies beneath your spell tonight? Who melts from rapture's road will you expel tonight? Those fabrics of Kashmir, to make me beautiful, trinket to gem me do adorn. How tell tonight? I beg for heaven, prisons, let open your gates. A refugee from belief seeks a cell tonight. God's winter's loneliness has turned to vinegar. All the archangels, their wings frozen, fell tonight. Lord cried out, the idols, don't let us be broken. Only we can convert the infidel tonight. Mughal ceilings, let your mirrored convexities multiply me at once under your spell tonight. He's freed some fire from eyes in pity for heaven. He's left open for God the doors of hell tonight. In the heart's vain temple, all statues have been smashed. No priest in saffron's left to toll its knell tonight. God, limit these punishments. There is still judgment day. I am a mere sinner. I am no infidel tonight. Executioners near the women at the window. Damn you, Eliza. I'll bless Jezebel tonight. The hunt is over, and I hear the call to prayer fade into that of the wounded ghazal tonight. My rivals for your love, you have invited them all. This is mere insult. This is no farewell tonight. And I, Shahid, only am escaped to tell thee, God sobs in my arms. Call me Ishmael tonight. Agha Shahid Ali. Now, I have started writing ghazal with a few Hindi poems, Hindi ghazals. I would like to recite them along with their translation. जाने अनजाने ही गलतियां हो जाती हैं दिल की बातें दिल में दफन हो जाते हैं intentionally or unintentionally we make mistakes. What's in the heart is buried within. क्यों रोए उन लम्हों को जो बीत जाते हैं वक्त के साए में बीती बातें खो जाते हैं. Why to cry for those moments which have passed? What's past is lost in the shadow of time. सोते जगते सपने बनते बिगड़ते हैं ख्वाबों के महल कई दफा टूट जाते हैं slept or awake, dreams are built and ruined. The dream palace falls down at many occasions. क्यों रोके उन मंगों को जो उमड़ते हैं एक छूटे भी तो कई राह खुल जाते हैं. Why to stop expectations which arise within? If one is lost, there are still many ways left. रोते हंसते हम खुद ही निखरते हैं जो भी मिले हम उसमें ही रम जाते हैं. Laughing and crying, we keep on improvising. Whatever we are bestowed with, we adapt in that. पाते खोते जिंदगी यूं ही ढलती जाती है, मौत के आते ही सारी चाहतें सो जाते हैं. Gaining and losing, the life keeps on moving. Once the death arrives, all the wishes are buried. क्यों सोचे ए अनुपम, गलती हो जाती है, गलत सही जो भी हुआ हो सब ढोते हैं. What do you think for the committed mistakes, Anupam? Everyone here carries his own burden of deeds. Now, there is another poem about those people who linger on the thoughts of what has already been past. The people who have already left them, they keep on just thinking about them throughout the time. So it's a ghazal based on that theme where one is asked to just move on, move on, move on. Just keep on moving. छोड़ो उनकी बातें, छोड़ दिया जिन्होंने तुमको, दिल में क्यों बसाना, तोड़ दिया जिन्होंने तुमको. Leave to think about them who have left you. Why to recite them in the heart who have broken you? छूटी है जो लहरें, भूलो कौन बुलाए उनको, अपना तो सागर है, सागर में रहना तुमको. The tides which have left, has anyone called them back? The whole ocean is yours. We already have a lot. टूटे कई दिल के तारे, जोड़ता कौन उनको, बाकी है जो दिल में संभालना है उन्हें तुमको. Many of the heart stars have broken. No one attaches them. Whatever is left within, we all have to preserve that. भुलाओ उनकी यादें, भूल चुके हैं जो तुमको, मिटा कर पुरानी यादें, सजाना फिर तुमको. Forget those memories who have forgotten you. Erasing the old memories, you have to build fresh ones. जी खुल के तू अनुपम, मरना तो है सबको, देखो तुम आगे, होश में जीना है यहाँ तुमको. Enjoy your life, Anupam. Everyone has to die one day. Look ahead. You need to be conscious always. Wikipedia and poemhunter.com. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening.